SLDP stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially with solid power, this is so sick. I quite like it. You know, here's the top of the range for me. One thing that I care most about is just doubling down on this market. Like beforehand was looking to take it up, it just went up without my rules. How about now? Well, I'm still not gonna randomly buy. You know, I just hope I see the price pull down and gives me rules. But other than that, me randomly forcing buys here, it's not gonna be happening. Like generally speaking. So all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. Now also with SLDP, I have about, I don't know why it's not showing receipts in the Discord, but there is some. But yeah, I mean, people are just scared. Okay, 13% correction, it's over. Bro, it's still a great setup as long as rules are met. If you want to stay tuned and get free stock money, free stock picks and all that good jazz for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.